Hello, I'm Steve. This is Bit of Munch. And I've been to M&S today. Not for any reason in particular, just because I hadn't been there for, I don't know, probably a couple of weeks. Just went and had a look, see what I could see. And I saw this. And this is new, and it's got a yellow sticker on it. And this is an enormous sausage roll. Handcrafted ultimate sharing sausage roll with outdoor bred British pork and smoked bacon. M&S collection. Reduced from, wait for it, £5 for a sausage roll. I know it's a big one, but yeah, anyway, reduced from £5 to £3. I thought, I've got to try it, haven't I? I've just got to try it. And this is a weighty thing, I tell you. What is the weight of this? It's 350 grams. Wow. Okay, what does it say? It says, all butter puff pastry with pork, caramelised onions and smoked bacon seasoned with herbs and spices. And your percentages are British pork 46%, so nearly half of what's in this is meat. Actually, no, more than half, because you've got the bacon as well. Smoked bacon is 5%, so there you go, 51%. More than half is meat. You've also got unsalted butter, 12%. No other percentages. There's some herbs and spices and other bits and pieces. Made in the UK with M&S assured pork from farms in the UK. As usual with M&S products. Right. Now obviously you can eat this cold, or you can heat it up. It doesn't say you can eat it cold. I can't see that. But I mean, you can. Obviously, you can. It says for best results, use the oven and serve warm. Well, I'm not going to use the oven. I'm going to use the air fryer. And I thought, what I'll do, I'll cut it into 3. 1, 2. Yeah, that'd be about right. Then I can put a third in the air fryer, have a third cold, and then the third I'll save for tomorrow. Because even though this has got today's date, it'll be absolutely fine tomorrow. Yeah, so that's what I'm going to do. So before I do that, let's open it up. I won't take it out of the pack yet. There's a better look at it for you. Oh, it smells very oniony. Yeah, very oniony. How much onion was it? 9%. Yeah. Oh, smells lovely. Sticky fingers now. Luckily, I've always got a bit of kitchen roll handy. Always. Because you never know, do you? Right. Oh yeah, when you do it in the air fryer, it says 20 minutes at 160. That's a ridiculously long time. Especially as I'm only doing a third of it. So I'll just do a third of it for some time and I'll let you know how long it takes. Right. I will bring you back when a third of it is cooked. Right. So, there's the piece I've got cold. There's the piece I've heated up. I didn't cut this very evenly, actually. I have weighed it to see how much I had left, and this is 350 grams in total. I've actually got 150 grams here, and 200 grams left in my fridge. So I've got more than half of it left in my fridge. Okay. Did I tell you how long it was cooked for? I can't remember if I did or not. 10 minutes at 180. Yeah, Okay, let's try it cold first. What's it called? It's a long description, isn't it? Handcrafted ultimate sharing sausage roll with outdoor bread, British pork and smoked bacon, M&S collection. That's what it is. I think it's what you'd expect, really. It's very meaty. You can definitely taste the onions. It's buttery. It's extremely tasty. Is it worth £5? This is the question. I mean, the question that you all want the answer to, and so do I. A quality product. But what's it like when it's been warmed up? Is it going to be better? Is it going to be worse? That is much better. Oh yes. Ooh. Mmm. One thing I didn't mention, when it's cold, the filling is a bit on the dry side. Once it's warmed up, it's definitely not. It just sort of brings the whole thing together. I don't know how to describe it really, but yeah, the flavours all sort of combine and it's just better overall heated up, much better. Mmm. I think that is probably the meatiest sausage roll I've ever tried. Someone now is going to go back through all my sausage roll reviews, aren't they? And go, oh no, actually it's not, Steve. This one had 53% meat. But please do, if you want to do that, please do. You know, I don't mind being proved wrong. But the actual feel of it, it feels really meaty. When I spend £5 on it, I know I only spent £3, but thinking about the size of it, if you cut that in half for two of you, you know, and you add it with chips and beans, but not little beans, like those little beans I had the other day. Yeah, really good quality chips and good baked beans. That'd do two of you for a very hearty meal. If you cut it into three, it would do three of you as a lighter meal. I think it's good value actually at £5. Yes, for a quality product, which it definitely is, yeah, I think I've summed up there, really. I think I've summed it up, haven't I? But I'll do it again. I was going to stop it then, don't bother. M&S reduced sausage roll. Long description: handcrafted ultimate sharing sausage roll with outdoor bread, British pork and smoked bacon. M&S collection. Usual price £5. I paid £3. When you have it cold, the filling, although it's really impressive, it's a little on the dry side. Once it's warmed up in the air fryer, it sort of brings all the flavours together, and it is a much better product. And I think it's probably the meatiest sausage roll I've ever tried. There's a lot of meat. You can definitely pick up the onions in it. You've got a buttery flavour. You've got bacon in the background. It's a superb quality product. It really is. And yeah. What else can I say, really? I'm going to go and enjoy the rest of that. What do I do with the rest of it that I've got in the fridge tomorrow? I'll be honest, once I've eaten these bits, I might get a bit more out of the fridge and chuck that in the air, get it out of the fridge, put it in the air fryer, heat it up and eat it. That's what I might do with some more of it. Okay, thanks for watching that one. I totally understand if now people are going to comment, £5 for a sausage roll, mate? That's stupid. Feel free to comment that. I don't mind. Okay, thanks for watching that one, and I will see you in the next video.